Finding and retaining qualified plant personnel is a challenge today. That is why it is so critical to partner with a leak inspection company that can audit your equipment and train personnel to effectively operate and maintain it. Plant audits are a great way to understand how effective your leak inspectors are and what is needed to maintain high performance. An expert analysis and detailed report from a highly skilled technician is a valuable service that ensures your machines keep running. Trained machine operators and maintenance personnel ensure that changeovers and increased production demands go smoothly. Regular, in-person, hands-on training goes a long way to minimize downtime and manage the daily challenges that arise from 24/7 production. No matter the experience of your team, the right partner understands that training and audits empower your personnel to sustain a high level of machine performance.